Hello everyone, welcome to the 100-Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and this is day 12 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 111. Número 111. Ducharse. Doo-char-say. Ducharse. To have a shower. I let the guest shower first. Dejé ducharse primero a la huésped. Number 112. Número 112. Dueño. Dueña. Doo-wayn-yoh. Dueño. Owner, proprietress. Well, I just want to return it to the owner. Bien, solo quiero devolvérselo al dueño. Number 113. Número 113. Dulce. A. Dulce. A. Dulce. A. Sweet or soft. You are so sweet to come to my rescue. Eres muy dulce viniendo a rescatarme. Number 114. Número 114. Duración. 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 Duration. They will have a limited duration of 10 years. Tendrán una duración limitada de 10 años. Number 115. Número 115. Durante. Duración-tay. Durante. During or whilst. Talking is forbidden during the exam. Está prohibido hablar durante el examen. Number 116. Número 116. Económico. Económica. Económico. Económico. Economical or cheap. It's nice, but I was looking for something cheaper. Es muy bonito, pero yo buscaba algo más económico. Number 117. Número 117. Edad. 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 Age. What is your age? ¿Qué edad tienes? Number 118. Número 118. Ejemplo. 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 Example. The shark is an example of a predator. Un tiburón es un ejemplo de depredador. Number 119. Número 119. Elegir. 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 To choose. You can choose from our wide range of products. Puedes elegir entre nuestra amplia gama de productos. Number 120. Número 120. Ella. 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 She or her. I'm going to talk to her and see if she can advise us. Voy a hablar con ella para ver si nos puede aconsejar. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.